Imagine a journey where luxury meets the untamed. This is Tapira Expeditions. Discover the hidden elegance of Latin America through Tapira Expeditions. Picture yourself birdwatching in the vibrant Pantanal, where macaws and toucans paint the sky. Or capturing the soul of the Amazon rainforest with a professional photographer by your side. Feel the thrill of eco-safaris in private reserves, spotting jaguars and sea lions in their natural splendor. Reconnect with serenity in nature-integrated lodges, indulging in spas that use ancestral ingredients. Imagine yoga at dawn on secluded beaches or meditating beneath the Atacama's starry sky. Craving adventure? Scale vertical trails in the Andes, raft crystal-clear rivers, or paraglide over Rio, all with premium safety and comfort. Why Tapira? Because sustainability guides us, comfort indulges you, and our personalized itineraries make every moment unforgettable. Start your journey at tapira.eco.br. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Experience Latin America as it's meant to be, luxurious, passionate, purposeful. Tapira Expeditions, where nature whispers and the soul listens.